Oh shit! Ish! All my organs turned into
Coca-Cola.
Oh man, what do I do now? Oh, I know. I gotta make it my duty world. Let's go! Let's go! Dad, wait a minute.
How the fuck did you just squeeze into that Pepsi can?
I'll fucking deal with it, son. I love I only drink like a normal person. Man, fuck that. Coca-Cola. Coke is just way too gas. People using this shit to remove the hot rod or their fucking mixers of diarrhea. I'd rather drink some juicy juice. I don't like saying the word coke. Sounds like I'm a fucking addict. Look at that. Oh my god. Wait a minute. These motherfucking South
Coca-Cola
logo for their flag. It needs to go over there and spank a whole lot of asses. The bear's getting drunk off Pepsi Man's. Pay attention. Damn, I gotta fuel up. Okay, son. Pay attention. Pay attention.
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, now that was a waste of time.